Name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. I hope that everyone is in good health. Well, students, I'm your teacher of subject English. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, let me tell you about day and date. So today is 22nd of December 2020 and day is Tuesday. Okay. Let's move ahead to see the topic of today's lecture. And the topic of today's lecture is Unit 8, which is named Now We Are Six, which is poem. Okay, you must be familiar with it as we have already done with the reading of it. We have already read this poem. And the topic of today's lecture is question answers. Okay, today we are going to do question answers. Okay, students. So here you go, you can see this. And the initial page of the Now We Are Six is the poem, and this poem is about me, about actually the girl who seemed very happy and who is laughing because she is saying that now I'm six. Means she's saying to everyone, the one who have become 6 years old, that now we are six, and she's telling about the situation, that when about the condition when she was one, what happened when she turned 2 years old, what happened when she turned 3 years old, what happened, and when she became of 4 years old, then what happened, and now she is six, and she's saying that I am as clever. Means she is six, she has turned 6 years old and she has become clever. मीन्स उसको इतनी इंटेलिजेंट होगी जितनी कि उसको होना चाहिए था. ठीक है. So let's see the question answer. Here you can see the question answer in front of you. I'm going to read one by one for you, so you have to listen me carefully, and by reading the question answer you can guess the answer as well, because it all depends on the there are some options given in front of you. You have to choose one correct option. Okay. Number one question is, when did the speaker just begin? Okay, when did the speaker just begin, यानी कि स्पीकर ने कब जो है सिर्फ स्टार्ट किया था अभी. ठीक है. when did the speaker just begin, यानी कि उसने कब सब कुछ शुरू किया. बोलने वाला जो है, जो अभी जो बता रहा था ना कि द पोइट. ठीक है. हु वाज टेलिंग यू डैट व्हेन आई वाज वन, तो मैंने क्या किया था, व्हेन आई टर्न टू व्हाट डिड आई डू, व्हेन आई टर्न थ्री व्हाट डिड आई डू. ठीक है. सो द ऑप्शंस आर गिवन हियर. एट वन, 1 साल की उम्र में. एट टू, 2 years की उम्र में. एट थ्री, 3 years की उम्र में. तो when did the speaker just begin? So speaker just began at 1. At 1 is the correct answer. यानी कि when she was of 1 year old, she just began. Okay. So correct answer is at 1. You can circle it. Okay, students. Question number 2 is, when did the speaker become nearly new? यानी कि जो speaker थी, बोलने वाली जो poet है, वो कौन सी ईयर, कौन सी एज में जाके उसको फील हुआ कि एवरीथिंग हैज़ बिकम न्यू फॉर हर, कि सब कुछ उसको न्यू लग रहा है. ठीक है. एट 6, एट 4 और एट 2, कौन सी एज में जाके उसको फील हुआ कि when did the speaker become nearly new? So at 6, at 4 और at 2, and the correct answer is at 2. जब 2 years का हुआ तब उसको फील हुआ. ठीक है. Number 3 question is, what happened when the speaker became 6? यानी कि क्या हुआ था when the speaker became 6, जब जो speaker है बोलने वाला वो 6 years का हो गया था, तो क्या हुआ था. ठीक है. यानी कि what happened when the speaker became 6? She became happy. The question is here. She became happy. She became clever. She became rude. Means question is, what happened when the speaker became 6? क्या हुआ था जब speaker जो बोलने वाला वो 6 years का हो गई थी. ठीक है. There are 3 options in front of you. You have to choose one correct option. The number 1 is, she became happy. जब वो 6 years की हुई, क्या वो happy हो गई थी. Number 2 is, she became clever. क्या वो चालाक हो गई थी, इंटेलिजेंट हो गई थी. नंबर 3 शी बिकेम रूड, वो बहुत ज़्यादा रूड हो गई थी, बदतमीज़ हो गई थी, गुस्से वाली हो गई थी. ठीक है. And the correct answer is she became clever when she was 6 years old. ठीक है, when she turned 6 years old she became clever. Okay, the correct answer is she became clever. You have to circle it. Number 4 question is, do you think the speaker likes being 6? क्या आपको लगता है कि स्पीकर को पसंद है 6 साल का होना? Do you think the speaker likes being 6? There are 3 options in front of you. Yes, she likes being 6. Number 2 is no, she hates being 6, कि उसे पसंद नहीं है. Number 3 is no, she is not bothering. नहीं, वो बिल्कुल इस बात के लिए टेंशन नहीं लेती, परेशान नहीं है. ठीक है. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज यस, शी लाइक्स बीइंग 6, यानी कि उसको 6 साल का होना ज़्यादा पसंद है. यस, शी लाइक्स बीइंग 6. ओके, डू यू थिंक द स्पीकर लाइक्स बीइंग 6? So the correct answer is yes, she likes being 6. Okay, here you go, dear students. You can see here question number 1, question number 2 and 3, 4. You can take the screenshot of the given question so that you can do it on your booklet very easily, and question number 3 and 4 are given as well. And the homework is that you have to do question answers on your booklet. Okay, so all of you please bring your booklet and bring your pencil as well, sharp your pencil as well, and use eraser, but use very less. And first of all, watch the video very carefully, listen me carefully, and then after attempting, after solving, after writing down on your booklet by putting the date on your booklet page of now we are 6, then you have to learn the question answer as well, so that you cannot make any mistake. If you want to practice it on your rough copy, then you can do it as well. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.